I see your new brand, Whimsy, and I looked up Instagram. It looks quite promising. You've already cracked quick commerce.
Yeah.
So, if you were to do the same for a kids' wear clothing brand today, how can we do that? What are the hacks for cracking quick commerce in this segment? And do you also see any a potential of kids' wear clothing brand on quick commerce?
See, quick commerce, whatever experience of 6 months I have working with them, what I feel, quick commerce is majorly for something which you need quickly,
Okay.
within 10 minutes,
Right.
within 15 minutes, within 1 hour. So those are more FMCG categories, consumer category, which like you need instantly. You're cooking something, or maybe you're while taking bath, your shampoo is finished, and then you're running to the quick commerce ke fatapat se order karo, I have to take bath. But fashion is something which you pick, choose, you take time, you build your cart.
Yeah.
It cannot be quick. Fashion, like आपका India has lot of season. Every season is changing. जब तक आपका प्रोडक्ट वेयरहाउस में GRN होगा, जब तक वो ऑनलाइन दिखेगा, आपकी समर से मानसून आ जाएगा, मानसून से आपका योर फेस्टिव सीजन विल स्टार्ट, देन योर विंटर्स, बिकॉज फास्ट फैशन changes.
Okay.
तो आई थिंक इट्स अ बैड आइडिया
Okay.
हैविंग फैशन. हाँ, आपको बेसिक्स डालना है, एसेंशियल्स है, बेसिक्स है, वो डाल सकते हो. वो भी इट कम्स विद अंडर लाइक UGs और मे बी ब्लैक वाइट टी-शर्ट्स और मे बी a night wear which quickly somebody is going to travel and they need it quickly and they can order because they don't have time to go to market. But fashion brand cannot run on quick commerce because they don't have a bandwidth right now to serve.
Okay.
And Myntra is coming with their fast service. Amazon is also working upon it.
You got acquired in 2021 by Mensa.
Yeah.
And you made a fortune out of it. What is the dark side of getting all the money that you always dreamt of? And once you get it, the life changes, right?
We as startup founders, we are hustlers. Once somebody take up that hustling, that now you are associated with a group and now there are a lot of team who are working on your brand. So आपकी जितनी भी एनर्जी होती है ना, वो एक्चुअली वेस्ट हो जाती है. Like it's not channelizing.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of team working over your task which you used to do earlier. So I think जो लोगों को आदत होती है बहुत काम करने के लिए, उनके लिए खाली बैठना बहुत बड़ा एक डार्क साइड है. I was actually going through a bad phase after acquisition.
Okay.
Because मेरे लिए LP was a baby.
Yeah.
Lil Pix को ग्राउंड लेवल से जब मैंने बड़ा किया था, जब वो 5 साल का था, I handed over it to a better, probably just the way we send our kid to a school, the way we
Better
send
mentor,
to
maybe.
a better mentor. So, but खाली रहना was the problem for me.
Okay.
जब मैं इतना खाली हो गई और मुझे समझ नहीं आया, obviously there was work, but it was not as intense the way it used to be.
Yeah.
So that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि somebody who are in practice of working hard, and बहुत लोग ऐसा होता है कि पैसा obviously it gives you a lot of security, social security, validation that आप जो कर रहे थे अच्छा कर रहे थे, people are admiring you, obviously. But आपको तो आदत है सारे दिन काम करने के, अब आप खाली बैठे हो, आप वो वेल्थ एंजॉय कर रहे हो. वर्क बैलेंस का मतलब ये भी होता है कि जब आप यू वर्क हार्ड, देन यू पार्टी हार्ड, यू एंजॉय दैट. Only if you party hard, you will stop enjoying that party.
Yeah.
Party ends like after a certain days. आपको feel होता है यार अब क्या, like where to
Feels
empty you're internally. So I think that was a bad thing which happened, and it couldn't do anything about it.
One last question I want to ask. If I were to start today, what are the 3 advices you can give you had in your times that could help you scale even much faster?
First of all, we have to let go of this feeling of social validation that you have to be successful, to be just do things like success मिलना ही चाहिए. सबसे पहले we have to actually खुद से ही हमें we have to struggle in our own self के
Yeah.
obviously I'm trying my best. Things may go haywire, And obviously it is a learning for me, and then obviously I'll restart.
Yeah.
I think every entrepreneur, every day they go through a lot of things, and every morning they wake up with a new energy
Right.
to do it in a different way.
Hmm.
आज ये नहीं चला तो let's try this, आज ये नहीं हुआ तो let's try this, and we go through a lot of, you know, finance का कुछ हुआ, आज operations में कुछ फट गया, आज marketing में ROAS नहीं आ रहा है, and there is like XYZ, you know, रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है, फिर ideas चल रहे हैं दिमाग में, this will happen.
Hmm.
And that is your journey.
Yeah.
So I think social validation छोड़ना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले. Secondly, don't run for funds.
Okay.
If your product is good, you are good at it, people will automatically, you know, reach out to you.
Yeah.
And जरूरी नहीं है, bootstrap businesses can be worked in a very good way.
Yeah.
आप फिर सीधा IPO करना ना. Like अगर हमें ये feeling आती है कि हम लोग इसको to certain level we can run it our own way, and then directly go for IPO. Why we have to? There is no recipe to it. Whatever suits. But जितना भी ये मार्केट से या फिर हमारा एक नोशन क्रिएट हो जाता है ना, दैट नाउ तो फंड रेज करना इज अ मैंडेट, ये इससे हमें बाहर आना पड़ेगा. थर्डली आई वुड से डू चेज योर ड्रीम्स, दे डू कम ट्रू. जो दिमाग में है उसे बाहर लाओ, उसे करो, execute it. Keeping ideas in your mind and bringing them on table and actually hustling for it actually makes a lot of difference. You have to, जितने भी dreams हैं आपके, please chase them.
If you want us to keep bringing such amazing content and business hacks, please subscribe to our Clips channel, The Sonika Mata Show Clips.